This video shows you how to connect your Epson printer to a wireless network. In this demonstration, you'll be using the printer buttons to select wireless settings. Before you start, there are a few things you need to check. Do I already have a network? First, make sure you have a network already set up. Your network may include one or more computers or an internet modem connected to a router. A router is a special box that all your devices connect to. In a wireless network, your devices talk to the router using radio waves instead of cables. Later, you will see how to add your Epson printer by connecting it to the router. Is my router wireless? Before making a wireless connection, check to see if your router has an antenna. If it does, then you can connect to it wirelessly. The antenna on some routers may not be visible. Check to see if your router says it's wireless. Other names for wireless are 802.11 or Wi-Fi. What other information will I need? You'll also need to know your wireless network's name. This is called the SSID. The SSID was entered into your router when it was first set up. What security settings am I using? If you have wireless security turned on, you'll also need to know your network password. This is called the WEP key or WPA passphrase, depending on the type of security you're using. Write down the network name and network password on the Start Here sheet. You'll need them during setup. If you don't have this information, ask the person who set up your network. Now let's set up your Epson printer and add it to your network. When you're done, you'll be able to print wirelessly from this computer. You can add the ability to print from another computer later on. Follow the steps on the Start Here sheet. The Start Here sheet shows you how to physically set up your printer. When you get here, install your printer software. Insert the CD that came with your printer. Click Install. At this screen, select how you want to connect. Since you want to print wirelessly, select Wireless Connection and click Next. Now select the option to set up the printer for the first time and click Next. Since you'll be using the printer buttons to connect to your wireless network, choose Select Settings using the printer buttons and click Next. Follow the instructions on the screen to start the printer's wireless setup wizard and select your wireless network name. If your network uses wireless security, you see a screen like this one. Click Watch Video Overview for instructions on entering your network password. When you have finished entering your network password, click Next. Follow the rest of the instructions on the screen to install the software and finish setting up your printer.